Hello traders, welcome to a new video which will be on the practice trading that is now allowed on TradingView. I'm going to get into all that. If you like what you hear today or want some more strategies in your arsenal, feel free to click the link in the description below and join the ever-growing Discord. It's been great, and it's going to continue to be great. Okay, let's dive into this. So essentially what TradingView has released, which I think was a month or two ago, is you can now do full simulated practice trading from the past. So if you don't know, here, let me refresh that. If you don't know what has happened in the past, this is something that you can do to hone in your trading skills, whether that's, I don't know, whether that's trading based on price action or volume or any indicator. The beauty of this is basically going to be a better version of a practice account because it's from the past and you can quickly get results. So I'm going to quickly show you guys just some example trades and really how this goes. So the buttons that you need to be aware of is obviously this is simulated from the past. So I'm going to click short or to long, sell or to buy. And that's really going to be it. Then flatten is to close your position. Now, I think the strategy that I want to use today with practice trading is I want to do more of either a stop loss hunt or a breakout trade. So the rule that I want to have, which I think is going to be pretty fun, is I'm only going to take a trade when price goes below a low or above a high. And I'm either going to decide whether to take a breakout trade or whether to take a stop loss hunt trade. A breakout trade is when if price breaks high, I buy. And a stop loss hunt trade would be like if price breaks the high, I short. So based on this, I'm seeing just pure momentum. Let's go take a look at this. I'm seeing a lot of bullish momentum, a lot of volume here. So price has broken the high. I'm going to click buy. As for SL, for my stop loss, I'm going to take profit for this simulated. I would probably put a stop loss maybe around here. And after I push buy, let's do my take profit, I don't know, a little bit above 0.6. So I'm going to lock that in. I'm going to hit buy, and we're going to see what happens. Either one of these will be hit, and I promise you when it is hit, I will click the sell button. Let's hit play and see what happens. Okay, so not much happening yet. We're slightly in profit. Let's see if we can actually make it to 0.6, whatever I'd written right there. Price really is just fluctuating sideways a ton, though. But now it looks like we're beginning to get some P&L, not really. Price still just kind of chilling, just sideways, I guess. So this breakout trade would have been just okay, I guess, as an example. This one would have been, or maybe not, or maybe price actually does end up going high. Well, I'm not going to close anything. I'm not going to move my, potential stop loss or my take profit. So we'll just ride this one out. Again, just consolidation. If you ever want to speed it up, you can hit a higher time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minute, in order to get that. Well, this is a lot better. So theoretically, we'd be up this much money. So this is pretty good. And our SL was not hit, which is good. It means that we put a good stop loss. And again, we haven't hit the take profit yet. At this point, I'd be very tempted just to take profit if I was in this position. But again, yep, and there you go. Okay, so I wasn't able to hit it fast enough, but yeah, we would have sold. So that would have been a profit right there. You can see that it says we are up 1,400. This is just a fantastic, very, very easy way for you to practice trade. So this first trade here was a breakout trade, and I sold right here because that was just the trade that I wanted to take. Now, as for the next trade, let's see what we want to do on this coin. Another thing that you can do is I could switch to any coin, and it will keep me in this point in time. So I don't really know what happened October 23rd on this token. I can go to any other coin that I want to and get that there. So as for this, do I want to do a stop loss hunt or a breakout trade? I don't really want to do either at this price point. I don't really know what's going to happen. I think I want to do a breakout trade. Stop loss hunt trade. If price breaks this, I think I kind of want to take one. Actually, I think what I also want to do is I'm actually tempted to short at 75. So I think I want to short if price breaks 75, actually. So if price can just go a little bit higher, yeah, I will short. Oh, looks like I missed my opportunity to click short. Get to go back up to, the next break of the high I want to short. But yeah, that would have been a good short. You can see my instincts right there. This doesn't look strong as a break. You want to short here. and that would have worked well. But, next level that I am watching out for is break of this level. That would be fantastic if we can just go a little bit lower into this below low. If we even get there. If we have enough bearishness to even get there. I could talk myself into also shorting above here too. I just think that this type of market lends itself to stop loss on trading. More so than breakout trading. But I could be wrong. Could be wrong. So again, I want to either buy at 58 or sell at about 78. That's going to be just about it. Not going to take any other trade. That's a way that I think is good to practice in a really a good way to trade, which is you look at any break of a high or any break of a low, and you just force yourself to either take a stop loss on trade, betting on a reversal, or a continuation trade, i.e. a breakout trade. So here, still nothing really happening yet. We haven't hit the level that I want to hit yet, around 58. Hoping we do soon. Still, we hit 60, but we did not hit 58, although we did get a bit of a spring forward. On the next drop of this low, I'm going to buy. So that's the plan. So I think that this is a very good way to hone in your trading skills, and you can put in any indicator that you want to use as well. You can also put in commissions too, which is pretty cool. I'm not putting in commissions today because this is just going to be easy practice. We don't need to think about commissions yet. So again, not a break yet. Oh, and then we got the break. So this would be, I don't love this. It's a lot of momentum, but I'm going to do what I said. I'm going to short here. So I hit the short button. And you can see that we got it at 76.56 here. For take profit stop loss, I'm going to be relatively tight with my stop loss. I think a 81 is good. So I'm going to put a white dash line there. For those that don't know how to do that, you just have to hit Option H if you're on a Mac. As for take profit, I kind of love the area right below 70, around here. So that's my take profit, and that's my stop loss. It's a very tight stop loss, so it'll probably hit. All right, yeah, let's see if the stop loss is hit. It probably will be hit. So it actually has not been hit. Not yet. Okay, well then, yeah, that would have taken it out. So then that would have been the end of the trade. There we go. As you can see, so that would have brought our P&L down a little bit. That's fine, though. I think, how would I trade this now? I think that the mistake that I made with this practice trading, and this is really, really healthy and a really good way for you to hone in your trading skills as well. I think I shorted into just a bunch of bullish momentum with a bunch of volume. Probably not a great idea. Now I want to pivot over to a different coin. Let's go look at another coin that I think could be interesting, which is Popcat. So Popcat, as you can see right, let's go see here. As you can see right here, Popcat, this is a different coin, but it's overlaying the buy and sells, but ignore that. This is the buy and sells from the previous. That's why it says at 80 cents, 70 cents, but this is not tracking. Good news, though, your P&L will continue. So these practice sessions, you can hop into any coin you want and just keep practicing and hit play, and you can keep going. If you want to learn how you can do this, I can show you how. I don't really want to exit out of this session, but what I want to do is go to Bitcoin. I'm going to go to the 1 hour just to get it more of a zoomed out, guys. And then I'm going to use bar replay tool to go back in time to a price point where I don't know what happened. So let's go back to here and let's go to the 1 minute, and here we are. And now we can scalp. We can even trade on the 1 second time frame, which would be crazy. If it supports the 1 second time frame, this would be very short term. It does. So, actually, kind of does. This is October 17th, 1 second data. So this is going to be very, very, very short term trading. So let's say I would do the same exact setup here. I would do stop loss or breakout trading. If price breaks 67,420, I'll just short. I think that I want to do a little stop loss hunt trade. And if price breaks this, I'll just buy. And probably do 1-to-1 risk reward. That's a large buy, though. So yeah, the beauty of this is you can do this on any time frame. You can do this on any coin, which is really, really helpful. It did reset my P&L because I went back in time even more, so it had to reset my P&L. But this is just a really cool tool that you can use any indicator. I could use what's it called? I can use open interest. So I don't know if open interest will load this far back. It does. So we can use open interest even to trade. You can use RSI, whatever you want to do, really. So yeah, I would say probably shorting above that high, above 67,700, like I had said. Probably shorting here is great. Again, I don't know what had happened, but that's probably what I would do. Again, not a break of 67,700 yet. But these are the levels I would play. I would short there, or I would probably long here. So when one of those is hit, I'll push the button. Of 1 Bitcoin. Watch price just like never go to any of these levels. I think I know it does, but I think it does. I could also swap out the coin during this time. I could go to Ethereum. I could go to Binance Coin. I could go to a lot of different coins as well. And like I said, if you want to speed it up, you just hit a higher time frame. And if we go to the 5 minute, it's going to be a lot faster with the data, of course. So we would have sold there. And let's see how that would have played out. So I love that it shows you that live P&L too. It's great for just quick practice, guys. So with this, I would probably then I have shorted, as you can see from the UI. Probably SL, I don't know, just here, and then maybe take profit here. That's a very tight stop loss though. And maybe something I need to work on. That my stop losses are just too tight, so that one would have hit, as you can see there. So this is just a great way that you can practice. If you find this helpful, then I'd recommend joining the Discord because we do stuff like this. This is just a great way for you to trade. And you can do this on any time frame. You could even go as far as like 1 day time frame, and then just do bar replay. I don't know, go way back in time to March 30th or something. And then you could do it this way. You could say, hey, I like Bitcoin at 28,000, buy. On a time frame this high, the issue is you might actually know what happens. But it still can be pretty good, trading. So you could say, hey, I want to buy here and sell, I don't know, here, and then rebuy if it goes lower, which it did a little bit, and then rebuy, I don't know, here. And now look, I'm an elite trader because, back in time or whatever. So, well, here, this would not have been an elite trader because price dumped. But good news about practice trading is, it's on your own time, so you can quickly wait for this, which is great. One last thing you can do. Yeah, you can also do this, which is really cool. I didn't even know of this actually before the video. So I was setting my take profit and SL the wrong way. Yeah, so it just hit the take profit. You can see it goes like that. So if you guys want that feature, I think you need TradingView Premium. But all you have to do is, I'm going to hit, so for this right here, let's say that I buy. I just have to go here, and all I got to do is just drag. So let's say that I want my stop loss, I don't know, here-ish. And then I want a TP, I don't know, here, or something like that. Then you can just, play it forward. You could even go on a different time frame, and it will keep that. So this is a really helpful practice tool that is I think, a little bit underrated. So this one hit the SL. I do think that this is a little bit underrated. So if you find this helpful, I'd recommend that you go into TradingView and try out the bar replay and practice trading tool. Try out your take profit and stop loss because practice is going to make you a better trader. And you can really hone in your strategy more than a simple back test. With that, happy trading. Join the Discord, and see you guys next time.